Hey guys, Ni Hao Manila.
Ni Hao Manila.
Ni Hao Manila. Ni Hao Manila.
Ni Hao Ma.
Ni Hao Manila, we're on our way back to Manila. And before that, syempre alamin muna natin yung mga tips, learnings, or experience ng mga kasama natin dito. Unahin na natin si Miss Rhea Buel. Let's go! So, Miss Rhea, ano naman ang learnings mo dito sa trip natin?
One thing na natutunan ko is that dapat yung itinerary nyo, it should be flexible. Kasi syempre, yung weather dito, nagbabago-bago and super unpredictable siya. Ang nangyari sa atin, like, supposedly, yung national park.
Yes, Zhangjiajie.
Yeah, yung
National
Avatar. Dapat ano siya nung isang araw pa, but unfortunately that day it was raining, so we had to move it to a day na sunny so we can appreciate it more and para wala masyadong fog. So yun, dapat talagang flexible.
And there's a lot of walking kasi. As in, maglalakad ka, baka madulas ka pa. So, mahirap talaga kung umuulan.
Yeah, and para ma-enjoy nyo rin talaga yung scenery.
What's your favorite part of the trip?
Ang hirap! My favorite would definitely be the Glass Bridge. Kasi episode ko yun eh.
Medyo bias ka.
But yes, guys, Glass Bridge, definitely yun. Kasi before this trip, nasa list ko na talaga siya na someday sana mapuntahan ko. And thank you so much for giving us the opportunity to visit
Grand Canyon Glass Bridge. Actually, kasi nakikita na natin ito sa TikTok.
Yes.
Nagsasenda na kami ng mga TikTok videos. May mga nagagawa na nga sana kaming mga contents. Kaso nga lang, di ba, umulan. Pero may mga nagawa pa rin kaming contents.
True.
Walang makakapigil sa ulan. Diba?
So make sure to follow us on our IG account so you can check our content.
Yes.
Aryan, and I am Rhea Buel.
Yes. Thank you so much, Ms. Rhea Buel. So, andito naman yung pinaka-OG. OG talaga. DG Razon.
Hello guys.
Ayan, guys. Fun fact. Si DG, sobrang bilis niya mag-upload. And yung cinematography, editing-wise, sobrang galing. Now, DG, Instagram worthy ba? Ang sarap bang mag-video tsaka mag-photo? Remember, you said, sarap mag-photo, ganyan. Parang gaganda kasi nung cinemas, diba?
Nakakagulat kasi, di ba karamihan kasi lumalabas sa social media, mga expectation versus reality, ganyan. Pero kasi lahat dito, reality, maganda. And what to expect also is yun talaga yung nakikita mo in person. Lalo na nung Forong Village, yung sa Tianmen Mountain, talagang sabi ko, uy, totoo pala talaga siya. Sulit siya, talagang sabi ko, uy, ito pala talaga. And sarap gumawa ng picture, syempre.
What's your favorite part of the trip?
Kung pumunta tayo doon sa Avatar Mountains, yung sa mismong national
The Emperor
park.
Mountain din daw yung tawag doon, sabi ni
talaga.
Ali. And what's amazing about the place, it's huge. There's a lot of like food strip kung gusto mong mag-try din yung local delicacies din nila, yung food nila. Alam mo maganda nga yung place kung maraming turista.
Yes, exactly.
Thank you so much, TG. Invite mo naman sila social media account.
Ayan, so guys, follow me on Instagram at DJ Razon. So, yun lang naman.
So, next naman natin ay ang Traveler Bestie ng taon.
Hey!
Ito, sobrang galing niya kasi mag-explain about budget traveling.
Grabe sa galing.
For you. Sulit ba ang trip natin for 6 days?
Sobrang sulit niya. Kasi imagine that, everything is already provided. From the flights, with your baggage, your visa, sila na po aayos ng visa nyo. All you need to do, you just have to pass your passport, then that's it. Then meron na ring full board meals, 5-star hotels, and jam-packed tours with tour guide. So basically parang...
Wala ka naiintindihan.
Yeah, wala ka nang intindihan. Like, lilitaw ka na lang talaga sa travel date, then that's it. And at the same time, guys, if you could put mga sample videos here, ang ganda ng China. And may experience mo yung mga breathtaking places talaga. So my answer is, sobrang sulit. I love it.
So, Cos, what's your favorite part of the trip?
I think most of the people already answered this, which is yung Avatar Mountain. Kasi iba naman talaga yung ganda ng Avatar Mountain. Like, all of the places that we visited is actually very breathtaking, very out of this world yung beauty niya. Ang ganda niya, guys. Sobrang ganda niya. And I think this is one of the core memories that I will keep in my life. China is really a different thing. A different one. As in, culture, very unique. The food, very unique. And even our tour guide, very friendly. So the experience, the whole experience is way more worth it.
Yeah. So thank you so much, Cos. Invite mo naman ang iyong followers.
Follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and on Facebook for more travel tips. Cos Vidal here, your travel bestie.
Ayan, kasama naman natin another famous TikToker right here, Dior Veneracion.
Yes, aka Beyonce.
Ang tanong ko naman sa'yo, kumusta naman ang dialect?
Hindi naman super hirap kasi may Google Translate. Ayun.
Meron na talagang mga signage na easy to understand na, dito ganyan. About the payment naman.
Since hindi kami nakapagpapalit ng cash nila, so nagbabayad kami through Alipay yung pambayad namin. So yung Alipay, madali lang siya gamitin. Link mo lang yung card mo, tapos ayun. The best experience talaga. Second country ko pa lang to, pero so far masabi kong ito yung pinaka the best compare sa una ko napuntahan.
Another one is transportation, diba?
Transportation.
Magkakalayo siya honestly, like 2 hours.
2 hours, gano'n.
What's your favorite part of the trip? Feeling ko yun yung favorite.
Yes, yun yung pinaka-highlight sa akin.
Can you tell me about it more?
Kasi nanood kami ng Fox Lady Romance show. And yun yung pinaka naging highlight nung travel experience namin dito kasi mahilig ako sa theater. Tapos maiintindihan mo siya kasi may subtitle sa baba ng malaking projector nila. So ayun, yun yung pinaka gusto ko.
Grabe kasi yung show, yung performance, not only the performance, yung pinaka-prod, like ang laki ng stage nila.
Super, as in.
Interactive siya at the same time. It was raining. It was raining when we watched it and still, talagang the show must go on.
Super, feeling ko nga Miss Arian, outdoor.
By the way.
Mas nadama natin kasi nga umuulan siya. Thank you, Miss Arian.
Clear mo naman yung social media account.
Yes, you can follow me in all my SOCMED accounts, Dior Veneracion sa lahat, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, YouTube. Pero yun, follow me.
Thank you, bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye na. We have Andre.
Hey!
Very artista with the shades.
Yes, kasi nasa airport na tayo.
Ito na nga ang tanong ko naman kay Andre, since fashionista siya ng taon very fashionable talaga yung mga outfitan niya. Ano ba ang mabibigay mong tips for what to wear dito sa John?
Ay, jackets. Tapos, pwede din naman sa mga lalaki, sando lang.
Nag-sando naman.
Yes, nag-sando lang rin naman ako. Or patungan nyo na lang din ng something na jackets or anything na pwede nyo ipang patong na medyo pwede sa lamig, pwede sa init. Nag-search ako ng weather and kasi wala lang, gusto ko lang bonggahan yung outfit ko. Siyempre, pagdating sa Instagram and sa social media ko, gusto ko talaga extraordinary. Extraordinary. Hindi, joke lang.
So, next question ko sa'yo would be, what's your favorite part of the trip?
Avatar Mountain because maaraw that time. Dalawang araw umuulan dito. So, ngayon ko lang talaga na-appreciate yung mountains. Perfect for our Instagram pictures, you know. Actually, yun lang talaga, guys.
Yun lang. Thank you, Andre.
Thank you so much.
Please follow Andre
Yes.
on social media accounts.
Yes, please do follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook account, at sa YouTube, Andre King lang.
Thank you, Andre.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
And next, we have our very famous TikToker here, Aya.
Ay, yes.
So, Aya, what's your favorite part of the trip?
Ako yung kagabi.
Oh, ano
Kasi,
yung kagabi?
yung kagabi kasi, parang,
party.
oo, yung party-party. Tagal namin plinano, like, mag-chill, mag-drinks lang, ganyan. Grabe ang saya, as in.
Kasi meron doon guys, yung dance. As in, ang saya kasi doon sa 72 odd. May mga pa-party, may sumasayaw. Tapos yung random na circle na maghahawak kamay, randomly, iikot, ganyan. So, happy ka naman.
Oo naman, te. Thanks
Invite
po.
naman, follow your social media.
Yes, guys. Follow nyo po ako sa TikTok and IG, YouTube, Facebook, Aya Banana. Ayan. Yes!
Thank you so much, Aya.
Thank you po. Bye-bye!
And that's it for our Zhang Jaji finale. I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa mga episodes namin because it's really fun. This has been Arian Bautista signing off. Neo Manila!